I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you are dealing with a transfer that is stuck in pending status, follow these steps to get it sorted out. Step 1. Check transfer status. Open your current app and navigate to the activities section to check the status of your transfer. This will help you confirm if it is truly pending or if there is another issue. Step 2. Ensure sufficient funds. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 3. Review transfer limits. Check if you've exceeded any transfer limits set by current. If you have, you may need to wait until the limit resets. Step 4. Update app. Ensure your current app is up to date. Sometimes, pending transfers can be resolved by simply updating the app to the latest version. Step 5. Contact support. If the transfer is still pending after checking everything, reach out to current customer support for assistance. They can provide specific insights into your issue. Remember, sometimes transfers can take a little longer due to network issues or processing times. If you follow these steps, you should be able to resolve the pending transfer issue quickly. Good luck!